Are you tired of struggling with salt and pepper shakers? Frustrated with those old-fashioned grinders that never seem to work quite right? Well, we've got a game changer for your kitchen that will make seasoning your dishes a breeze. Introducing the Gravity Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Set, the perfect addition to your dining experience. These premium stainless steel grinders will revolutionize the way you season your food. Crafted with high-quality stainless steel and acrylic materials, the Gravity Electric Grinder features a top-quality ceramic rotor. It's designed to withstand even the toughest peppercorns, sea salt, or spices, ensuring long-lasting durability. But what truly sets this grinder apart is its automatic operation. It's as simple as turning it upside down to get that perfect grind of salt or pepper. With just one hand, you can activate the spices you love, while your other hand is free to handle other kitchen tasks. It's all about making your cooking experience effortless. Plus, we know everyone has their preference when it comes to coarseness. That's why we've made it easy to adjust. Simply turn the grinder knob at the top of the device to get your desired coarseness. Whether you want fine particles or coarse grounds, it's all at your fingertips. And check this out, a stylish blue LED light that turns on with a simple wrist twist. You'll easily see the precise amount of salt and pepper you're adding to your food. No more guessing games. The transparent container on the grinder can hold up to 2.75 ounces of peppercorns, approximately 7 tablespoons, ensuring you have enough seasoning for all your culinary creations. Worried about cleanup? Don't be. While this grinder delivers gourmet flavor, it's a breeze to clean. And no, it's not going in the dishwasher, but trust us, a quick clean is all it needs to stay in perfect condition. The Gravity Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Set is more than just a kitchen gadget. It's a game changer for your meals. Perfect for home chefs, restaurant owners, or anyone who loves a touch of elegance in their kitchen. We're so confident in our product's quality and performance that we offer a satisfaction and money-back guarantee. If you're not delighted with your purchase, we've got your back. Upgrade your seasoning game today with the Gravity Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Set. Elevate your dining experience, impress your guests, and make cooking a joy again. Say goodbye to the old ways of seasoning and hello to a new era of flavor. Get your Gravity Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Set now and take your culinary skills to the next level.